Ink token distribution update. Ink has finally reviewed its tokenomics, and this is huge for the community. A massive 70% of Ink tokens are allocated to users through mining, airdrop, referrals, and tasks. But there is an important step you must complete to receive your token. So if you are mining Ink network, watch this video carefully so that you know what to do to avoid losing your airdrop during distribution. So this was the update they made yesterday on April 22nd, and they said the Ink tokenomics community first and not sold. We are sharing how Ink is designed to be distributed and grow with the community. 70% community mining, airdrop, stars, and referrals. That is 70% is going for me and you, and 12% is going for treasury, liquidity, and listing, while 10% is for team locked at TGE, 8% ecosystem locked at TGE, partnerships plus grants. So what's next for Ink miners? Ink mining ends in July 2026. So we are already in May. In 2 months' time, Ink mining is going to end July 2026. Now, token verification begins. Once mining ends July 2026, the next thing is token verification process. And the third thing here is Ink distribution to verified miners. So they say here, to qualify for the Ink distribution, complete liveness verification in the cPen app, link your wallet to the wallet page, use a DEX wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, etc. DEX wallet. So do not use exchange for this. Lock your wallet address on the cPen page to enhance security. They say CES wallet like Bitmart are not supported. Last time when cPen listed, some of us use Bitmart, but right now they are telling you that Bitmart is no longer supported. That is, no exchange is supported. You must use your DEX wallet to link your account. Failure to do so, you might not receive your distribution or allocation. So if you previously used the CES wallet for cPen, please update it to DEX wallet as soon as possible. So in this video, we are also going to look at how to link your wallet to your cPen. To do that, you come over to these 3 lines. Once you tap on it, first thing is you have to do your KYC. KYC is just for you to be on a street for like, I think 7 days or 9 days. Once you are on a daily streak for 9 days, you are going to do your liveness check just to scan your face and nothing much. It's not difficult, so make sure you do this. So after that, you are going to click on this wallet. Once you tap on this wallet, you are going to see save BSC wallet address. This BSC wallet address will be used for token distribution. Use a self-custodial wallet like MetaMask, Trust wallet, Token Pocket, whichever DEX wallet that you have, use it. Please do not use exchange. So to do that, I'm going to remove this wallet I have here, because some people has already asked me before how to link their wallet on cPen. So to do that, you head over to Trust wallet. So once you come over to your Trust wallet, the next thing to do now is to search for BNB. You can search for BNB, and let me search here. My cursor is not recording here. Search for BNB. This is BNB. I have already added this, but for the sake of those that don't know how to look for BNB, BNB is still your BSC address. So what you are going to do is just to click on this receive icon you are seeing here. This is my address. You click on copy. Once you copy it, you head over to your cPen. Now here you're going to enter that BSC address that we copied. You click here and enter it. Then you click on save address. Can you see wallet address saved? Once you do that, you have saved that. Another thing they talk about, the important thing you need to do as a cPen miner is to lock your wallet to increase or to enhance security. So to do that, you come over here, you click on lock wallet. Success verification code sent to you. They are going to send, once you click on lock wallet, I have received the message now. They are going to send me an OTP that I will enter to lock my wallet through your email. So this is the email I just received now. So I'm just going to copy it. This is the code copied. Now let's go back. So coming here, we paste the link. the code. Now you click on this verify. Click on this verify here. Wallet address locked successfully. Can you see? My wallet is locked successfully and it's showing here locked. So this is how to link your wallet and do your wallet lockup to enhance security. So once the token is being distributed, they are going to send it to this particular wallet I have here. This Trust wallet that I have here. You're going to receive it on your desk, not exchange. So if you're not active, you need to be active. cPen or ink mining is still building something serious. cPen is one of the projects that listed their token, even though in the early listing the price was very bad, but along the line it started pumping, and currently it's still not that bad. The price is still not bad. So we hope that season 2, which is the ink mining we are mining, that we're going to have enough allocation and the listing will be very good. So if you have not started, the link will also be in the video description. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel, our X account for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.